So my name is Francois. I've been making knife for 8 years. You are going to see the making up of what we call pattern welded steel or Damascus. We make like a big sandwich of different steels. So you all start with this sandwich making, and then from there you can do different things that are going to make the blade more or less attractive. So you end up with this knife where you can see the blade is like a topographic map, like with lines everywhere. And I started making knife when I was in the bush in Wallacorna at the border of the Free State. My teacher is Bruce Barnett in Western Australia. We used to drive with my wife 3,000 kilometers to see him. We moved from the desert where we used to live, and I started forging to Alice Springs 5 years ago. In knife making and forging in Wallacorna in the bush. Then when I arrived in Alice Springs, I forged a little bit more at the old telegraph station. For the last 5 years I have been working, perfecting a bit what I was doing, to the point where I did my certification as a bladesmith with the Australian and American guild. So I'm a journeyman now from the American Bladesmith Society, ABS. So I got both qualification in Australia and America.